I made a mistake and I need your help. So I recently said, yeah, I'll do a review of this charger, and this turned up. I was not really paying attention, and I'm hoping that you can help me right now, because this is from SkyRC. This is the NC3000. I needed something to charge my 18650s a bit better than the dinosaur solution that I've got downstairs. I didn't read this correctly, so I apologize. The 18650 charger that I wanted to do a video on, it's not made for 18650s. It's made for AA and AAA batteries. That's dead to me. I don't need that. So I apologize. Here's my review of the SkyRC 3000 charger. It is probably great if you need to charge some of your batteries that are AAA and AA. That is not me. I thought this was an 18650 charger. SkyRC, shout out to them. They make some great things like the Quad Duo and the SkyRC 2000. I've used them for almost a decade. I've never had any issues with my SkyRC chargers. This, it charges by USB. That should have been a bit of a giveaway if I had have actually read the description a little bit more properly. Because it's also not cheap. It's not a cheap charger. Jumping over here. Look, here it is right here. This is 190 Australian dollars for a charger. And when I first looked at this, I assumed like, oh, it fits 18650s and some AA's. Okay, no, this is a AAA. This is a AA there. So here's its stats. Great. I don't care about how heavy it is. Input power, 65 watt, and we can only take those batteries. Great. Who's going to buy this? It's a lot of money for a AA battery charger. Sorry. That's it. That's me saying sorry. That link's going to be down below. If you feel like spending 190 Australian dollars on a charger for your AA batteries, maybe. I would ask the question, how many batteries can I just straight up buy that I don't even need to recharge for $190? The answer is probably quite a lot. So that's what I'd do. That's not environmentally friendly though, but maybe the use case for this is you have a lot of rechargeable AA's that you use all the time. Sure. The rest of us, if this was 18650, it would be different. That's my review of this charger right now. You guys just saw it live. Link's going to be down below. I made a mistake. Let me know if you want me to send it back, or we'll figure something out.